Day 57 challenge. Parents, learning goes beyond books.
Japan,
Super.
China, Malaysia, French, Nepal, India, Australia, Italy, UK, US, Cambodia, Thailand, Mauritius,
Super.
Singapore, Myanmar, Malawi, Tanzania, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey, Cyprus, Jordan,
Super.
Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Iraq, Albania, Russia, Belarus, Ukraine, Canada, Kenya,
Super.
Mexican, Guatemala, El Salvador, Nicaragua, Nigeria, Liberia, Morocco, Mauritania, Senegal, Guinea, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, Togolese, Niger, Costa Rica,
Super.
Panama, Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador,
Super.
Nigeria, Cameroon, Central African, Gabonese, Congo, Angola, Zambia, Zimbabwe,
சொல்லுங்க
South Africa,
சூப்பர்
Madagascar.
Very good. Identifying flags help children connect with the world, enhancing observation and cognitive skills naturally. Follow the journey of young explorers. The world's best vibrant enrichment program from Japan, now in India.